Now let's create a new class. That class name is employee, and let's employee try to inherit the class person. So let me create a class name employee employee, and we know this employee should be inherit the properties of the person class. So how we can do this, and this is pretty simple, my friend. To inherit a class, to inherit the properties, the public properties, okay, all of the public properties of this particular class. And how you can do it is, it's pretty simple, my friend. You can use a keyword. That keyword name is extends, and by using the extends, you can extend a person like this. All right, now as you can see here, means because we are extending an employee, we are extending a class name person. The person comes with an interest, and that interest is the constructor. You can see the person is having two constructor, and this is the reason why whenever you inherit a class that carries their own constructor, we need to inherit that constructor also. But let me, for just for here let me just comment this. Okay, we will talk about it when we move to the super keyword. So this is something, when I remove it, you can see here now what happened. This person class is inherited with the default constructor, and we will have some error over here, test class. So what I will do, I will comment this all line and we will change it a little bit later. Okay, now what happened, my friend, as you can see, the employee inherit the properties, all the public properties of the person. So that means we didn't need to rewrite all this code, okay, to set the name. And we are going to access this private by using the public setters and getters method. Now let's do it here. Here what I will do, first I will comment these line of code. Now you can see. So here for the person, we are not having a constructor right now, so default constructor should work. So this is something like that, and let me uh, uh, here, okay. So this is the object of the person. Now if you want to, if I change a little bit of code, like let me use here employee like this. All right, alt enter, so it will inherit the employee. See, import the employee. Now here, see, the employee is a subclass of the person. Okay, so here we also need to use the employee. Now see, now everything work fine. So we didn't need to see p dot set age is not available in the employee class, but employee is inherited from the person. So what will happen? Yeah, these methods are also inherited. So that's why, my friend, in our class, when we use p dot set age, p dot set gender, p dot set name, and p dot set occupation, these all are available in the person class, and these all are public. So you can inherit it and you can change the value in your way. All right, so here when I run this, it will give me the same output. In the next class, we will talk about the creation of object, why using, means when this all object has been created, and how this calling work. Okay, so thanks for watching it.